this'll really get him.
Oh man, that was a rough day at work. I just want to relax for a little bit, maybe sit down somewhere. But where can I sit? Oh, what's this? Never saw this chair before. Please, hello, please have a seat. Well, that's nice. That's nice. Someone put out a chair for me. Who could have done something like this? Josie? Who did this? I know who did it. It was Evil Kid. Where is that kid? Where is he? You should...
Evil Kid does it again.
Come back here. Where do I get my hands on you? I'm sinking.